Hi, my name is Derek Fahlberg, NETGEAR Pro AV Design Engineer here at the Sennheiser Roadshow. And I've got my tabletop here. We've got one of our NETGEAR M4250 AV desktop switches. It's part of our AV series of switches. We offer M4250, M4300, M4350, and M4500. And then I've got also our NETGEAR Business Class IPsec VPN dual WAN router. This router can connect at 10 gig on the WAN side and 10 gig on the LAN side, and it is an excellent business class router for any type of AV network. It'll work just great. It can do your inter-VLAN routing. It can do an IPsec VPN tunnel. If you need to, for example, connect remotely to a specific network and get into and manage all of your NETGEAR switches as needed. And then finally, I've got one of our brand new Wi-Fi 7 dual band wireless access points. Wi-Fi 7 is the latest and greatest. So you got speeds that can go upwards of 5 gigabit per second on the 5 gigahertz radio. Very fast and very powerful. Our website is www.netgear.com. Please visit us and have a look at all of our products. Let us know what you think.